Hello, teacher. Well, the first question said insert the following new client to the client's table. So to see that, I am gonna make a question. So select all from client. You can see that I have no data inside the table. So I will insert the data I have here, the query. This is the query. Insert into client the fields and the values. Now you can see that this table has some values, value that I inserted according the expected. So Tony Stark, the email, the client password, and the comments. Let's let's see the second question. Um, Modify the Tony Stark record to change the client level to 3. Okay. For that, I'm using an update. You can see that the client has a client ID 1. So this is asking me to change the client level to 3. So to do that, I will update the data from the table clients. I will update this field, this value in the field client level, where client first name is Tony and client name is Stark. So with that, I believe that it can have more probability that the query will be right, because I could update by the ID, but I'm using the name and the last name. So let's see. Okay, let's see the result. Now you can see that the client ID is 1. as is expected. Um, Here I have a little mistake. Ah, the client level. Sorry. The question is to modify the client level to 3. So the client level was changed, not the client ID. Yeah, the query was okay. Let's continue. Modify the nylon rope record to read climbing rope using a single query. Okay, show the query. Those data are in the table inventory. So we have here nylon rope, and we will change this nylon rope. To do that, I'm using an update. I I am updating the table inventory and set the value from im name. I'm using this function. This function replace. Uh, I'm using this 4 times uh, to replace the climbing rope for nylon rope. Sorry, I'm changing the nylon rope for climbing rope. Here I'm changing the same, save it has lowercase. Here I'm changing the same, but um, you can see that this has a different letter at the beginning. For instance, I have here uppercase, I have here lowercase, and I have here the first word in uppercase. So all these uh, different phrases could be taken and changed for climbing rope. I have four replace to do that query, and where in main name is nylon rope. So I will execute that. I believe that maybe I can omit where in I be name nylon rope because I'm replacing and I'm given the parameter here. But to do this example, I'm using where condition. So let's see the result. Okay, And I have here right now climbing rope instead. Any change? Let's see the next query. Um, Use an inner join to select the inmate name field from the inventory table and the category name field from the categories table for inventory items. Okay, and to see what these tables has, I will use these two queries. Let's see first what this table has. Okay, this has all from inventory, and this has all from categories. Is displaying only one table. Let's prove with this. Okay, music. Music. Uh, Music has an ID number 3. I will display the join, the inner join. So I'm selecting email name, category name from the table inventory. Inner join the table categories where inner ID is equal category ID where category name is missing. This is what is request. So you can see that this query get um, these values. Catapult. Let's see what it has. Catapult. Okay. Catapult has an ID number 3. And ID number 3 belongs to MISC. Okay. And the last question is delete this field from the database. To do that, This is the field, and I will delete this field. Is all this data from this uh, row. Yes, one row affected. You can see that I'm using where to delete only the value associated with this name. So if we see this, you can notice that these values is not displayed anymore. That is, these are all my queries and are all working. So see you soon and have a good day.